Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring safety. Back up important files and export saved passwords if you depend on the Microsoft account. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Your Info. This is where Windows links identity. You need a local administrator account before removing the Microsoft sign-in. Make one now if you don't have it. Once done, sign into that local admin so you can change account type and proceed. This prevents lockouts and preserves administrative control. You'll now convert the Microsoft account to a local one. Choose Sign In with a local account instead and follow the prompts. Enter your current Microsoft password to verify. This keeps security intact. Then create a local username, password, and hint. Make sure to choose something memorable because this replaces cloud sign-in for that user. After switching, sign out and sign back in with the new local credentials, so Windows finalizes settings and stops, tying that account to Microsoft services. To finish, open Settings right arrow accounts right arrow family and other users, select the Microsoft account you wish to remove and choose Remove. Confirm by clicking Delete Account and Data. This deletes local profile data but not cloud files. Make sure anything needed is backed up. If Windows blocks removal because it's the last admin, create another admin account first and retry. If problems persist, restart into safe mode and remove the account there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.